I'm Sonja and I am here today to do an update on the skincare that I've been using for the past month. I had done an unboxing just a little over a month ago, an Ulta unboxing with skincare in it, and I've been using it for the past month, and I kind of wanted to let you guys know where I'm at. And of course, whenever I do anything with skincare, I always do it without makeup. So here I am, makeup free. So let's just get started and talk about all the products. One of the very first products that I had opened up in there was from Juice Beauty. It is this prebiotic coconut and aloe cleanser. I love this cleanser. I really love it. I love that it has a little pump. I mean, it's like the small things, but I love that as a pump. It makes it really handy. I've actually been keeping this in the shower and using it mainly in the shower. I love this because it comes out really creamy. Let me show you. It's a cream and it feels just really good on my skin. It doesn't feel stripping. It feels moisturizing, and I just love it so much. I've had no problems with it. I really enjoy it in the shower because it's nice just having the little pump that I just have sitting there on my little ledge and just can pump it out. And I think it's fabulous. It has a great smell. I feel like it's just been working really great with my skin. I think it would be really good for all skin types as well. So that's the first product that I'm reviewing. The next one, I'm trying to do it in the order that I talked about things in that last video, and I'll link the last video in the description and above, but was this Krave Beauty Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser. I didn't like this and I didn't use it for the full month. I used it probably for the first 2 weeks, and I noticed when I started to use this, my skin reacted poorly, and I really tried to push through and use it longer, thinking that things would get better, but it just didn't. I wanted to love this because I've heard so many good things about it. I think I've heard about it on Cassandra Bankston's channel and Hyram's channel, and when I heard them talk about it, I was like, I have to get this, I have to get it, and I was so excited. It's like this gel, and doesn't really have a scent. It's really nice, and I think this is probably good for some people, but it just wasn't good for my skin, and maybe I'll try it again. My skin was just reacting really poorly. It started to break out really bad. I started to get like more texture on it, just like lots of weird bumps. The coloring in my skin just fell off. Like everything just wasn't working well. I have dry skin, but as long as I take good care of it, it stays like in the normal range. And it seemed like on paper this should be really good for me. It felt like it was gonna work well for dry skin, sensitive skin, but it just felt like it made my skin react so much. So I stopped using it, and then I switched back to my Pacifica Seafoam Complete Face Wash, and now this is like almost gone. I love this so much. This has been my favorite cleanser. I love the scent of this. I mean, this is fragranced. I mean, it obviously is, and I have sensitive skin, and it still works okay for me. I just love this cleanser, and almost immediately after I went back to this cleanser, my skin just like went back to normal. Okay, so the next thing I had was this Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I had mixed feelings about this. I remember when I got it, I was surprised because I was wishing I hadn't bought it because I forgot to read the reviews, and the reviews felt negative. But I put it on my hand. It feels really cool to your hand. It feels smooth. It glides on well. So I'm like, I'm gonna go in here with a really positive attitude. So I was careful where I put this on because people had said that it burned. So when I put it on, I tried to mainly put it more down in this area as more of a thing to awaken me up, and then I would tap it in so that way it wasn't like really close to my eyes, and it felt good. But I didn't find this to be hydrating at all. It didn't feel like it was adding anything to help hydrate or moisturize around my eyes. It felt kind of pointless, and I felt silly that I had bought this. But I wouldn't say this is a negative product. I think it definitely has uses, you know, like if you just want something to help you wake up in the morning and just to dab it in, this might be for you. And I can see myself using it from time to time. I'm just not going to use it all the time. So I feel like this is a good product for some people. I'm on a journey to find eye cream that I love, and I know there's a debate out there whether eye cream is necessary or not. You know, some people say that it is, and some people say that it's just overpriced face moisturizer, and I think probably both of those are right. I'm a big believer in eye creams because I really feel like they've helped me. I've used eye cream for a couple decades now, and I truly believe they've helped a lot. But I'm really particular about my eye creams because if you just get a thin eye cream, it does just feel like most moisturizers, and you probably could take any moisturizer and pat that around your eyes. I also like to use them on my eyelids because my eyelids do dry out. I get dryness on my eyelids if I don't moisturize them, and then my makeup doesn't sit properly on my eyelids. So I really like a good eye cream that sits well around your eyes, doesn't run into your eyes, and will work well under your makeup. And I'm having a really hard time finding an eye cream that I really like that is vegan and cruelty free. And I have to admit the truth that when this didn't work, I went back to my old MLM's eye cream because this is by far the best eye cream I've found to this point, which I find sad. And I'm almost out. And I actually have bought a bunch of new eye cream products, so I'm going to be having a video coming soon trying out those because I would really like to not have to buy more of this eye cream. So yeah, anyways, stay tuned because that video is going to be coming soon. So let's go to the next thing I had in that box, and that was the Happy Dance Face Moisturizer plus CBD. I love this. This is one of my very favorite moisturizers I have ever used. Seriously, this is the best. It doesn't have the most pleasant smell ever. It honestly doesn't, but I've used almost all of it. This has lasted me so long. I don't use this in the morning. I only use this at night. And it's really soft. It's like really pillowy. It just feels so good. And I do have to say that I honestly feel that this would make a great eye cream. I honestly do, and I've used it as an eye cream. I've used it all around my eyes because it's so thick. It doesn't run into your eyes. It feels good. So if I run out of my eye cream, I'm not ordering more of that. I mean, I keep feeling like I need to because I feel connected to it, but I think what I'm gonna do is use this instead because it works really well. It stays in place, it feels good. I mean, and then you can use it all over your whole face. And I love putting this on my face at night. It just feels so good and I love it. I highly recommend it. Like, out of all the things I got out of that box, I really recommend this. Like I said, I don't use it during the day. You probably could if you used like a thin amount, but I haven't been using it during the day, just at nighttime, and I look forward to it. I wish it had like a fun smell because to me that's part of my like nighttime is, you know, have fun smells on my face and it makes me feel good. It's like my little me time. But just the texture and the consistency of this, it makes me happy. I love the color of the container. It makes me happy, and it's called Happy Dance. Like, there's nothing unhappy about this except for maybe the smell, but it's not like the worst smell ever. So I really recommend this. What I have been using though, when I saw how thick that was, what I continue to use during the day is Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk. And the first time I got this in my Kinder subscription box. I love this. This is a moisturizer that would work for all skin types. It smells so good and it's almost gone, and I need to order more, but I ordered some different skincare, so I wasn't going to order this right away to see if the other skincare would work. But it feels so good. It's just so light. I love this and it's fabulous. And I'm going to be sad not having that smell every morning when I start using the new skincare. The other things I got in that same box, and they're not, well, one is skincare, one's not. But I thought if you go back and watch it, you might want to know what I thought. So I didn't grab one of them. Let me grab it. Okay, what I got, and I honestly felt silly getting it. I don't know why, but it was the Kylie system. And I got this, and I've just really wanted to stay away from using any kind of Kardashian like skincare and makeup, and I just do. That's just how I am. And so I got one of Kylie's blushes, and I hate to say it, but it's really my favorite blush. I love that blush. The color, the way it goes on, the way it sits on my skin, I love it, and it's so irritating to me. So I've been trying to find something for my brows that I would really love, and I'm so sad to say I really love the Kylie brow. I really love the pencil. I love that it has like this nice thin line. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a thin line. It works so well. So one side has the little pencil, it draws well. The other side has a nice spoolie. So this is good, but what I love is the gel. The gel is really fabulous, but I really love is the brush. That one side, this side down here at the bottom, is longer, and just the design of it works well. Then the other side has a shorter one. So it really helps me get in there with my brows and just really like design them the way I want them to go. I just really wanted to hate this, and I am so upset that I love this Kylie brow. Ugh. Okay, but with that, I'm pretty sure I got this free with buying that Kylie brow, or I got this, paid for this and got the brow free. One of these products I got for free. It's Kylie Skin Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Face Sunscreen. And I know this is, you know, vegan, cruelty free, and it's reef safe. I was hoping I would like this. I'm always for a good sunscreen, and I have to tell you, I really do. I really do like this sunscreen. It's a clearish gel, but it feels smooth, and when I put it on my skin, it feels wet, and then you start to move your hands and it feels almost powdery. It's hard to describe, but it just like kind of goes on and feels really smooth. It feels really good underneath my makeup. And I can't say anything bad about this. I really like this. The only thing is the face sunscreen that I do like better. This is SPF 40. This one is SPF 45. And this is the Black Girl Sunscreen. I like this one better for the simple fact that I like it because I'm supporting, when I buy this, a Black-owned business, a female-owned business. I like what's behind the company better than I like what's behind the company with Kylie Skin. But I used this sunscreen for the full month. It lasted for a full month. It worked well. I like it. I won't buy it again because this is going to be my always go-to face sunscreen. My kids love this one too. It's created with people of color in mind, not people who are colored like me, but people of color. So it's clear and it has no flashback. It has no like gray or white, you know, look to it. Nothing like that. It looks good on your skin, not just white skin. It looks good on all skin. And so this is a company I would just really rather support. Plus, I think the price on this is a lot more affordable. This is $17.99 at Target. This is $28, yeah, $28 at Ulta. So it's a $10 difference. There's 1.7 fluid ounces in both containers. This has a higher SPF by 5. This is 45 SPF. This is 40. But this is a Black female-owned business. And yes, Kylie is a female-owned business, but I just like everything that this represents better than everything that this represents. So I highly recommend this sunscreen, but this is good as well if you want to get it. That is my update on the skincare. Please keep watching, and I'm going to try to get this video posted this week, and I'm also going to try to get right away posted my new skincare system that I just got, and I'm going to start to use tonight, and I'm really excited for it. So I'll let you know on that one, the new one too. I'll use it for a full month again and let you know my thoughts on that. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Remember, I'm small, so all the support and help I get is really appreciated. So thanks for watching. Bye.